2019 GMC Sierra 2500 HD. The GMC Sierra 2500 HD has all your workhorse basics covered. No worries here. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, stability control, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, remote engine start, lane departure warning, navigation system, backup camera, tow hitch, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel drive, auto-dimming rear view mirror, cruise control, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes. Come take a test drive today.